Hi, I'm going to explain my task here. So the purpose of task was to send a notification. Also, the user knows when the light intensity, when the lamp is getting a light or something like that. So whenever the light intensity is above 50 in my code, it sends a notification. Or whenever it changes, gets under 50, it sends a notification. It doesn't send a notification for every time. It's like for every intensity it's above 50, but only sends a notification when it is changes from 50 above and low. Here I've defined the bool which is going to be helped, so uh, which is going to help me in not sending the multiple notifications. And here's the path of uh, the IFT vbooks is used for sending notification whenever a certain event occurs. This is the key, and Sunlight 2 is the event name. This is the website I'm using. IFTT is used for connecting multiple apps together, and whenever a certain event occurs in something happens, it just does a certain thing. If this happens in something, and then then something should be occurring in the other app. Like here, if something happens, light intensity gets above 50, it sends a notification. And it's like if and that process. It's just like uh, it's being connected to the Wi-Fi, and everything is being defined and it's being connected to the server. First of all, the light intensity is being read here. It's in the form of lux, but further is being changed in the string because string is being used to send the notification. So you can see if light previously detected or not detected. So if it's not false, it's true, it sends a notification. So if it's not true, it sends a notification. So you can see it's false. So it will send a notification. If the light is false, so it's going to send a notification, and it's above 50. It's not going to send a notification if the first read is under 20 because the light previously detected is false here. And then if the light previously detected is true and the intensity is under 50, it's going to send a notification. It does not send multiple notification because of this, and it's being changed here depending on the value. Here it just checks if the client is still connected to the server, and then it just sends a notification using GRET protocol. The path name is the event and the e, and here's the main message here is going to send is going to the value of this lux and using HTTP type. So I'm just gonna run the code, so circuit, and show you how it works. It's already I've recorded the code, but I'm just gonna code it again. I was still doing it. You can see it's connected to the server. The light intensity is under 50. It do not send any notification. Whenever it like gets above 50, it's gonna send a notification. Look at that occurs now. Yep, a notification is sent. You see, it fired a event, and the notification is being sent again. It's under 50 now. It has sent another notification. I've got two notifications here. Uh, it's under 50. It's still not sending a notification unless it gets above 50 or say 50. So the process I need the task is working correctly.